Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and I'm going to take you through a 2021 Scout 175 Sport Dorado. This boat is sold, but we have others incoming. You can certainly order one similar to how this one is equipped. This has the 115 4-stroke from Yamaha, ski tow bar, twin captain's chairs are standard, backrest for the rear quarter seats are also standard. This is the black hull color. Swim platform on the port side is standard. Trim tabs are optional on this boat, as is the bimini top. All Scouts come standard with a stainless steel rub rail. Bow rail also standard on this boat, as are the two chase lounges that have storage beneath. Boat comes with a stereo, bow cushion, where you see those snaps. There's storage beneath that bow cushion. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Always check us out on MarineMax.com. Thank you.